Hey, what's up guys, this is African Programmer. Welcome to day number 2, and this is the 2nd of January, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about HTML syntax. So let's just get to this. I'm not going to waste much of your time. I'm just going to go straight to the point. So we're going to talk about HTML syntax, so let's just get to this. So in HTML syntax, one thing that you have to understand is that we have a start tag. Some people call it the opening tag. It's just the same thing. Opening and starting tag, they're just the same. And the other thing we have to take note is that there's what you call an opening, a closing tag, and some call it as in the closing tag. It's just one and the same thing. And let me just open something. Let me just open my notepad. Okay, I'm just gonna open my notepad. Okay, let me just show you what I'm talking about. So okay, HTML. Okay, then HTML, okay, HTML. So this is an opening tag, right? And this is a closing tag. And like I explained yesterday, that we, in our closing tag, we have a /. So that's another thing that you have to take note of. So also the other thing, okay, let me just create another body tag. If you don't know much about this body tag, this is where you write most of your stuff that'll be outputted on the browser. So I'm just gonna say body. So I'm just gonna say body, right? So this is the body tag. Okay. Body tag, and inside, like I said, inside everything that you write inside the body tag will be outputted on the browser, right? So I'm just gonna add another tag. So I'm just gonna say P, and you might be asking yourself, what's the meaning of P? P, it means as in it's a paragraph. It represents, I know you have read as on a website, you've seen information written in paragraphs. That's the tag that they use. So I'm just gonna say this is our first paragraph, right? So that's our first paragraph. So that's how you use as in the P tag for. And other thing I wanted to talk to you about, in HTML we have what you call attributes. Attributes, they are some sort of okay, if I add the ID, okay, ID, we have what we call attributes. These are more like what we use to when we want to style our page. We use attributes. So we want to specify, let's say we want to make some changes on a certain part of the HTML. We use what we call attributes. Maybe if you want to style your page, you want to add the color red on this paragraph, you use what we call some features called attributes, whereby that's where you assign. Their attributes are more like IDs, classes, and ref, and some of the information. When we get into CSS, I'll show you how we use these kind of features like attributes. So that's another thing that you have to know. And other thing, before I forget, they're what we call empty elements. These empty elements, they're sort of like tags, right? Like this tag, BR tag, right? BR tag. This BR tag, right? It's a break, whereby when you want this information, the next information that I'm going to type in, right? Okay, I'm just going to say next information that I'm going to type in, I want it to be on the second line. This, okay, cool. This is our second line. So this second line will not be outputted on the same line with this paragraph. It'll just go below the second line. So that's the BR tag. These are empty elements. They usually don't really have the closing tag, so they just come in one pair. They are not in sets. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about HTML syntax. So let's just do a quick roundup. Like I said, everything that you write inside your HTML script is supposed to be inside HTML opening and closing tags. They're supposed to be inside. And inside the body tag, everything that's going to be written inside the body tag will be outputted on the browser. And the other thing, we also in HTML syntax, we have what we call attributes. That's another thing that you have to put in your mind. We have what we call attributes. So that's a quick roundup on HTML syntax. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow where I'll be talking about attributes. I'll get a little bit deeper into attributes, then we'll start over to how we'll start creating our own simple site from scratch. Then we move on to the next thing until you become a professional. So this is just a quick summary on HTML syntax. So guys, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow on attributes. If you really like it, just put a thumbs up. If you are really interested in learning more about HTML, just please subscribe. So guys, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.